Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to a long video of mine. This video is really special for me. Here I will be opening all of my PR packages. Are you a content creator who wants to receive PR packages from brands? I have created a WhatsApp channel for free for you guys. Check the description box, join the WhatsApp channel and let's grow together. I am going to host a very special giveaway for you guys. Make sure you check the description box and watch the whole video. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. And if you're new to this channel, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe. Let's get started. The first PR is from this brand. I have received quite a product from them. First, I have received their eyeshadow palette. This is their Muse 20 color eyeshadow palette and they really have got such pretty shades. Next I have got is their mascara. The next product I have received is their lipstick plus lip liner duo, and I have received their lip balms which I have used obviously. The next package is from Mila Beauty. Okay, I have received their Cookie Syrup blushes. The next package is from Pro Touch Skin. I have received their Advanced Repair Feet Lotion and their Callus Remover Spray. The next package is from the brand Hilary Rhoda. They were kind enough to send me their face palette, eyeliners. They have also sent me two lipsticks. This is in the shade 01 and 08. And so many colored eyeliners. The next PR package is from the brand Novology and they have sent me their acne cleanser. Two minis. This is their barrier moisture repair lotion and this is the mini acne cleanser. The next package is from Wow Skin Science. Wow was kind enough to send me their Japanese sunscreen and their hair growth spray. The next PR box is from Smitten. They send me the Garnier Vitamin C face wash and the Air Mist sunscreen. This PR is from Aravi Organic. They were kind enough to send me their underarm roll-on and lip balms. The next PR package is from Color Spin Cosmetics. They were kind enough to send me their 2 shades of foundation and 4 amazing lipsticks. Okay, this package is really close to my heart because it has, drum rolls, Stays Beauty lipsticks. Oh my god, I will show you one of them. You have to wait for the YouTube shorts to see the full video, but these lipsticks are so good. Look at the packaging, you guys. Look at that thing, like 2 lipsticks in one bullet. That is genius. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, I think this is the shade Nude Orchid, 04 Nude Orchid. This is what I have received from Mama Earth. I am loving this right now. This is what the shade looks like. Okay, now this is a new skincare brand. I haven't heard this before they send me this PR package. This is PhD. This is the short form of Proven Honest Derma. They were kind enough to send me their 10% vitamin C serum. I have uploaded a short video describing this product. The very special and the last PR package is from Foxtale, you guys. Let me show you one by one what they have sent me. First, they have sent me their face pack. This is a Skin Radiance face pack. This is the purple one. This is viral all over the internet and let me tell you guys, this product is worth it. This is what the packaging looks like. The next thing they have sent me is their Vitamin C Super Glow face wash. The next thing they have sent me is their Viral Oil Balance Moisturizer. I have been using this product. As you can see, this looks so good. They were kind enough to send me 2 of their serum. This is the niacinamide serum and this is a vitamin C. And for giveaway, one of you will receive this same PR package that I have received from Foxtale. Yes, this PR package is for one of you guys. You have to subscribe to my channel, you have to like this video, share this video as much as possible. And if you follow me on Instagram, that will be a bonus. Don't forget to check my WhatsApp channel if you're a creator, and if you're watching me for the very first time, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box for the giveaway rules, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.